hit by the truck.
How long ago did you paint it?
Saturday, man. Saturday.
Oh, so I can go in there, right?
Let's go inside. Right through here.
Sweet. Yeah, baby.
Did we paint the right color? I thought you wanted it in brown.
Oop.
Or orange.
Oh. Nice. Now what, will this get buffed or anything, or what?
Yeah, he'll get a nice cleanup buff. Right now, just unveiled.
Yeah.
What do you think,
I
Jack?
can't, it
Wait,
looks
let me
great.
get on this side because the light is better light. Okay, there you go. What do you think?
It looks great. Love it. I love the color. I gotta take pictures here.
All right. I'm just gonna let you be by yourself in the sanctuary right now. We're gonna back out the Mustang right now, and Jack, the owner, is gonna be in the car, so he feels like he's gonna be in summertime. So basically, just going straight back. Okay. Going over the hump. Right there to help slow it down.
How do you want me to?
Why don't you go ahead? We're still rolling. Okay. You want to still keep capturing? We can do our thing. You guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the back end go in. We're gonna back it in. That's the plan. You sure it is, Jack? Gonna push out the tires, right? We're gonna do a. So the back's going on it? That's getting backed in. Good. Watch your toes, Dylan. Oh, right there's good.
Left out of the paint booth.
All right, we're just waiting on Chad to show up so he can be in the shot. All right. Mustang's a star. So we'll be on the sides. Bill, let me get behind you. Bill, watch the left side. Good. All right. And oh, it's a dolly shot right here, man. Dolly on tracks. Check it out.
Sweet, look at this. Oh, I'm gonna have a lot of people are gonna be jealous of me. Look at this thing. Oh. Wow. 2.5 years in the making.
Are your dreams coming
Almost
true,
done.
Jack?
Yes, it's just about, dreams are just about gonna happen now. Once I'm behind the wheel.
Why don't you get behind the wheel real quick? Just
Yeah.
get behind the wheel, get a shot. So this is gonna be an open door car concept? Where
Yeah.
just, like a Jeep, you just get in, right?
Yeah, this is my off-road look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good look, man. It's a good off-road look.
Yeah. Love it. I can't wait.